welcome back to L's Rigs. We're out here on Tybee Island again. One of these days I'm gonna get over there. That's little Tybee. Today we're gonna put some fiddler crabs on a hook and throw it out there. We got frozen crab too, but we'll see how it goes. Little guy got away from me. I think I'm just gonna let him do his thing. It was hanging out in that hole right there for a little bit. Oh. Like all these seagulls. Look at this big ass bird. What are you, bro? You're pretty big. I like this one. He's pretty cool.